Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Kuveskar, and now here we are going to observe the crown prince of the bird world of India, the crested bunting. Let's have a look.
Crested Buntings.
Crested Bunting, Emberiza, lathami, known as Yuvraj in Marathi, which means the crown prince. It is another species from the bird family of buntings, Emberizidae. This bird is known as Yuvraj because of its upright crest, which gives the bird a prince-like royal charming appearance. It is truly a royal-looking bird with similar plumage like crow pheasant, the greater caucal, of chestnut and black color. Males are glossy black with spiky upright crest with bright chestnut wings, where females are streaky brown with slightly duller wings and short crest. Crested bunting is found in large part of India as well in some other countries of Southeast Asia, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, and some parts of China. It is commonly seen around hills and mountains with rocky and bushy habitats, as well in open fields and grasslands near human habitation. It is known to do local migration in seasonal response. Crested buntings are generally found in pairs or in small flocks with seasonal changes. As like all the other bunting species, they are seed-eaters with a stubby conical bill. They mainly feed on seeds of different grasses, as well cereal grains, and known to feed insects and caterpillars to their young ones during breeding season. As well, they can eat some wild berries.
And as always, I am sure you all enjoyed observing and knowing more about this royal looking bird, the crested bunting, through this short documentary film. Feel free to share it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be back with the next documentary soon. Stay tuned.